Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got a simple video for you guys today. We're going to be replacing our tub drain. If you guys have a tub drain that's all messed up, whether it is suffers from signs of corrosion, or it looks dingy, or you just want to upgrade it to maybe a brush finish, or even a different style, stay tuned to this video. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay guys, the first thing we want to do is we need to be able to access our drain. The drains are only screwed into the tub here. So what we're going to do is we need to figure out a way to remove this cover. If your cover is broken and already removed, then you don't have to worry about this, just skip the step. Typically they're only screwed in, so what we can do is we'll try and unscrew it. There you go. And now you can get rid of this, and you're gonna find a bunch of icky stuff in your drain here, maybe some old hair. Just go ahead, clean this out. Okay, our next step is we need to unscrew this thing here. Now, in order to remove the drain, we're gonna use this tool, which is drain removal tool. You can get this at your local hardware store or on Amazon, but I'll leave a link in the description below. What you want to do is you want to start by putting it inside the drain, and you're going to turn it with either a screwdriver through one of these holes in here, or you can use an adjustable wrench. I like to use an adjustable wrench to get it started, and once it's loose enough, I'll go ahead and remove it. Okay, and just like that, we've removed our old drain, and all we need to do is clean up around here so that we can put some plumber's putty around. This is your new drain fixture. The style that I'm using is going to be the pop-up style. It comes assembled like this. To remove it, you just twist and pull the drain cap out, the stopper out, set it aside. And also, if you notice, some of these drains may come with an adapter here, which doesn't fit in our hole. So what we're going to do is remove this adapter ring, set it aside. It also comes with this rubber gasket. You can use this rubber gasket, but I don't like to use it. I prefer to use plumber's putty, so it gives me a better seal, at least in my opinion. But you can use it if you want. I'm going to set it aside, and I'm going to roll up a little bit of plumber's putty and put it around the edge. For you guys who don't know what plumber's putty is, it looks like this. It's like a little Play-Doh looking, it's pretty much like Play-Doh. And what you're going to do is knead it and roll it into like a little string. And we're going to set it around the hole. And that will give us a nice seal when we put down the drain. And just like how we removed it, we're going to install it this pretty much the same way. We're going to go ahead and hand tighten it just to get it started. Make sure it's clean. Actually, I have some stuff down here in the drain. I want to take it out before. Okay, a little bit of debris. And then we're going to go ahead and start it. You can use the tool if you like. There's no harm in starting it with the tool till it gets caught. And then once you start to tighten it and it gets snug, we can go ahead and use the adjustable wrench to tighten it down all the way. As you can see, as we're tightening it down, the putty is getting compressed, and that's what we want to see, a nice seal. around our drain. And that's it. You're looking for a nice snug fit. Once you're done, you can go ahead and peel the plumber's putty off from around the edge. You can toss this, remove our tool, and there you have it, guys. The drain is removed. Now you have a nice new drain. Get rid of that old dingy drain. And then you can go ahead and put the stopper in. Like I said, in this case, you just put it in, line it up with a hole, press down, and twist it, and it will thread itself. There you go. That's it. And now our drain works. You successfully replaced the drain, guys. I hope this helped. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and stay tuned to the next video.